how to make a charcuterie board, in English, a charcuterie board, which is basically a cheese board, or you can do it as snack board, fruits. There's no wrong or right way to do it. The fun thing is getting a wood board. I have this pretty one from Latter-day Home, and I got it at Deseret Books. And I'm just mixing up fruits and cheeses, everything that I had on my refrigerator. And I'm gonna display it beautifully so everybody in my family can just pick what they want and have a fun little snack, just something different. And the fun thing about it is that you can mix and match different textures and different shapes and different colors. And the more things you add, the more interesting it becomes. So if you had, I had one apple and then one orange, so I sliced them up and I placed them in different places around the board. Same thing with cheeses and crackers. So you're giving everybody a different option of how to place things on the board, but in the end, it always looks beautiful and delicious.